I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get easy XP in Rocket League. We'll dive into the best methods for maximizing your experience points, helping you progress faster through your Rocket Pass and unlock awesome rewards. Whether you're a new player or a seasoned veteran, these tips will help you optimize your playtime. We'll cover everything from specific game modes to daily challenges, ensuring you gain levels efficiently and enjoy the process. To maximize your XP, focus on game modes where you can consistently perform well. Casual matches are excellent for this, offering steady experience without the pressure of ranked play. Aim for around 100 to 200 points per minute by actively engaging in plays. Goals, assists, and saves all contribute significantly. Even just touching the ball frequently adds to your score, boosting your overall experience at the end of each match. Don't overlook the power of daily and weekly challenges. They offer massive experience point boosts. Completing just a few challenges can net you thousands of XP. Playing with a friend in a party grants a 20% experience bonus, which adds up quickly over several matches. Furthermore, as you progress through the Rocket Pass, you'll unlock XP boosts, typically offering an additional 10% to your earnings. Combine these for truly rapid leveling. Consistency is key to earning easy XP. Make it a habit to log in and complete your daily challenges. Remember, active participation in a match, like making touches, clears, and centers, often yields more experience than simply winning. Even if your team loses, a high score means good XP. Dedicate a few minutes to free play before matches to warm up and refine your mechanics, ensuring you perform at your best and maximize your in-game score.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.